Good afternoon, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today is a very special day for our family, especially for Marlson. As you all know, today it's been long overdue. He's been waiting for this for a long time. We're grateful that God's been awesome, and he's Mr. Marlson is now going to graduate today from high school. Can you imagine that? So right now we're just getting ready to drop him off so he can get all his stuff ready before the ceremony starts. So hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Congratulations to all the graduates out there. We extend our congratulations to all of them. So again, thank all of you guys for your just continuing support, and just continue to support our family and our channel. And we're forever blessed. We're forever blessed for your support and love. All right. Again, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget that. Drop that like and then subscribe to our channel. There's more videos coming up. There's going to be more videos coming up. Also, like probably in 2 weeks, I'll be doing a video for a wedding video. I do realize that everybody loves to watch the wedding videos, so stay tuned for that. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, there's the graduate. There's the graduate boy. There is the boy
They have been waiting for.
What you say?
This is the day I've been waiting for.
The day you've been waiting for.
Mm-hmm.
I'm proud of you, son.
Yep, thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you guys. You guys been here since 3rd grade, I think. 3rd or 4th grade?
Yeah.
I'm on.
Our loyal fans, thank you guys for staying loyal since diapers day. Yeah, because Marlson was he started off his channel with his wearing his diapers. And you sure you're not wearing diapers still? Huh?
No. Can you back out a little bit, because I don't want to touch the...
Okay, I'll back up. Just
It's
for you.
hot. Oh my days.
I know. Anybody coming with you?
I don't think so.
All right. Kiraom na siya. Okay. All right, you ready?
All right. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. All right, son.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you on the other side. God bless you. Hey, look. I love you.
Love you.
So proud of you.
Okay, thank you.
See you soon, okay? All right.
Okay.
I love you. Marlson. Let's go, Marlson.
Hey, who has the most followers on IG? No lie.
Okay, Marlson, let's go. Marlson is right there. Let's go, Marlson. Let's go.
Nate Brown. Aaron Hatfield.
DeAndre DeGray.
Cody Akanayaka.
Marlson Sellofis.
Let's go!
Jamie Taylor.
Nicholas Roach.
Mason Pollard.
John Butto.
Let's go, Marlson!
Patricia Parmenter.
Akisha Prasad.
Taylor.
Wait, who are you guys still waiting for?
Diana Bahia Vahe.
Hannah Mary Doyle.
Hello, Hawks! My name is Sadie Belanger, your ASB Executive President. First, I want to say that I'm so proud of all of our achievements. Our senior class has definitely proved that Terrace is an outstanding school. Thank you so much for all of the memories, and thank you so much to my family and my friends. Graduates, we will now take part in one of the most meaningful traditions of the ceremony, the turning of the tassel. This simple act symbolizes your transition from student to graduate and marks the completion of the hard work, perseverance, and dedication that have brought you to this moment. When I ask you to do so, but not quite yet, because we're going to share this moment together, you will reach up and move your tassel from the right side of your cap to the left. I repeat, the right side of your cap to the left. By making this symbolic gesture together, you join the generations of graduates who have come before you. After the turning of this tassel, as Mr. Friedel said, you will walk calmly to the courtyard, where you will be reunited with your family and friends. So, with that, let's bring the 2026 school year to a close. Graduates, hands on your tassels! Ready? Stand up. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Congratulations, Marlson. All right, let's go say hello. Ceremony is coming to an end. We're gonna go see Marlson. Nukummatsar karareta. Whoa! Hello, people of Chuk. Oh wow! Tidak betul mikir. Wow. So this is the M3 family crew. Proud mama?
Hey, Nixon, I didn't see you.
Now, come get a picture.
here he comes. Here he comes.
That's been George so far.
Huh?
I don't know where you were, so I just
Tell him to come here. Huh? Congratulations.
Thank you, guys.
You made it. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Break it down! Break it down! Come on!
See, Elston? Marlson made it. Huh? Now it's your turn to make it to the next one. Huh? Hey. Oh. What's up? German? German?
Right here.
Oh, thank you, Jermaine.
Can you hold Janice? Would you do that? Do it. No, just give it to him. I'll bring you home. I'll bring you.
Huh? Get it, get it. Oh, nereye kundum mo? Oh, let's go, Rune! All right. Okay, your turn, guys. Go. All right. You want to help float? Go help him with his stuff. Where's Mars? Mars, come help them. Marlson. Now it's just we're just waiting for your turn, right? Yeah. Mars, go put up yours. Good job, good job. Oh wow, you're just like doing this. Oh, okay, you get. Go dance too. All right. Okay, good, good, good. Whose turn next? Huh? Okay. Oh, good soak, good soak. Hey, good soak. Okay. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Hello. Nanip. You so ready? Open make it. What? Kafa pa ni Totoy King. Hi. You're so happy for to. Hello. Hello.
Congratulations, Marlson.
Thank you. Oh, Tia. Hello. Oh, did you graduate too?
Not yet. Next Wednesday.
Okay. All right. Congratulations. So this guy is just here to get the candy so he can eat it.
Oh, bro, I can't breathe. My leg about to break. I can't breathe.
Marlson. Yeah, can you give it, Mom? Give Mom. Give Mommy. Mommy. Yeah. Thank you, Nene. Ja, where's that? Huh? Okay. Alright, say, Mars, apa sap kita sugar hier? Marlson. Anyway, siapa dia? Huh? Huh? Just tell them thank you for coming. Marlson.
Então se você assim,
Video. Okay. Yeah. All right, here we go. Up a little close, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. I will send it to you later.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Alright, guys. Thank you guys for all the support. From a little kid to now I'm graduated. I want to thank y'all for just coming along with the journey. I want to shout out everyone in this video. Shout out my parents, shout out my brothers and sisters, and shout out to the whole class of 2026. This year has been full of blessings. I just pray that God continue to guide and watch over us and lead us into a right path. Yeah, congrats to everyone that graduated. I love y'all. That's it. I would like to pass the mic to Tia to share something.
All right, Tia. Congratulations. Sorry
thank
we didn't
you.
make it to your graduation, but
It's okay.
I'm glad you made it to Marlson's.
Yeah.
You want to say something?
Just want to thank our families on both sides and thank the man above for everything. Wouldn't be possible without him. And congrats to all the 2026 graduates. Thank you.
Thank you. Would you like to say something? Would you like to say something?
Congrats, everyone. Congrats, Marlson. Congrats, Thea, Jalen, Yosbo, HN, Jenny, and Kamara. And God bless all of your futures.
All right. Thank you. You want to say something for Marlson?
Congrats. I'm proud of you. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Thank you. Martha, boys, say something to Marlson.
Huh? I thought you said say something tomorrow. LOL. Oh, the mic. I just want to say I'm really proud of this guy.
Right now.
I'm proud of all the graduates. It's all their hard work. Just keep God first, and you'll go places.
Of course.
We couldn't even hear you. All right.
Well, I'm talking tomorrow.
Where is everybody at?
Bro, I'm trying to find my...
Right now, shout out, congrats to Eli.
Bro. Oh my gosh. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
All right. Thank you guys. Bye.
Harish.